Now here we see a pair of double triode valves, both 6N1 tubes. That they stock at Jaycar, and otherwise known as 6N1P. So Jaycar stocked them as a 6N valve, if you care to look them up on the Jaycar site. So over on the right we have a stage of regeneration or regenerative receiver, audio pre-amplifier, and then the left, the other triodes are in parallel as an audio output tube. And it's providing reasonable output, though I've not measured it, to be honest. The amount of watts coming out, or fractional amount of watts coming out, I should say. I'm just measuring the high tension and low tension or heater voltage on the valves there. So low tension is close to 6.8 volts, perhaps higher than I'd like it. And the high tension, if you can call it that, is 48.3 volts. Quite safe. Well, a relatively safe figure for most people, I believe. And it's all being run from a 12 volt plug pack, AC plug pack on the ground. So when I say AC, I mean the 12 volts coming out of it is 12 volts AC or alternating current, as opposed to a direct current unit. So it's just basically a big transformer in that black package there, connected to the mains. That feeds another transformer. The other transformer that we see there, toroid, has dual 115 volt. They would originally been primary windings, but they're using a secondary winding for that high tension. And the 24 volts on the other side has been fed with the 12 volts coming out of that plug pack that you can see there. And the centre tap I've used to take one double triode off either side to the 12 volts, and giving 6 volts for each of the tubes. So I thought it was a touch on the cunning side. Whether you agree or not, I don't know. Hopefully I can get a bit of a schematic together, or reference one anyway if nothing else, because I know there is a schematic similar to this on the internet.